Hey, so welcome back and happy new year to all of you. So in this year I'm going to start my year with Windows Server 2019 installation. So let's see how we can do that. I have a workstation and I have installed a Hyper-V role on it. So if you want how we can install Hyper-V role, you can scroll down to my Hyper-V playlist. So we need to click on start button, type Hyper-V. I'm going to pin to taskbar. So open a Hyper-V. As of now, I don't have any virtual machine. So right click on your machine, new virtual machine. This is the before you begin page. Skip this. Here you need to enter the server name. I'm going to type a Windows Server 2019. Click next. Generation 1, no issue. Next. I'm going to assign 2024 memory. Connection not connected yet. You need to assign a Windows size, hard drive size. So here I need to browse. I have another hard drive for this purpose. So I'm going to create a new folder, VM. So server 2019, select. Okay, so I'm going to enter a 100 GB. So you can size maximum up to 64 TB. Click next. You need to select a ISO file. I have downloaded it from Microsoft website. So this will be my Windows Server 2019. Click next. This is the like a summary page. This would be our server name. This is generation, memory not connected, and will be installed. This will be installed on G Software ISO and this. Click finish. So now we have successfully created a VM. Now we need to click on start, connect. So now you can see Windows start loading a Windows file. If you want, you can select a full mode. So here you need to select the language to install time currency. So keyboard input method, if you belong from another region or country, you can select your region. Then click next. Click install. Now we are going to use evaluation mode, so we don't have a product key. I don't have a product key. You need to read the license terms and click I accept the license terms. Next. As this is a clean installation, so we will go custom installation. If you have a Windows 16, then you can choose a upgrade. So click next. I don't require any data on the drive, so I'll click on continue. If you want, you can create a new partition, format, delete, refresh, load drive, or extend the volume. Click next. So now Windows start copying Windows file. It will take some time, so I'm going to pause this video. So now it's installing a features, and we need to wait for this installing updates. So now it's asking for reboot. You can reboot it manually, or it will automatically reboot within 1 second. So don't press here any key to reboot the system from DVD. Now it's loading a Windows for you. Getting device ready. So here we need to enter the admin password. Re-enter the password. Click finish. So installation completed. Now we are going to log on to this computer. Enter your password. So now it's loading your profile as a first time. Preparing desktop for you. It's working a bit slow because I have assigned only 2 gig RAM for this workstation. If you have a good system, you can assign at least 4 gig RAM for better operation. So okay, we have successfully installed a Windows Server. So if we will open a server manager, so you can see local server. So this is all about the server. It's now loading the all the possible details. We have installed a Windows Server 2019 Essential. So last update never. This is all the things. So just click on start button, setting, system. So now we're going to change a computer host name, and here you need to scroll down, about. So this is all about the details. So from here you can rename this PC. So as I'm going to rename this ind-dc01. So later on I will be promote this server as a domain controller. So click next. If you want, you can restart now, or you want to perform some more stuff, you can restart later. So I'm going to restart later. So that's all about Windows 2019 installation, and how we can rename the computer name. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe this channel for more video. I will post another video soon. Thank you.